Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Pantai Kuta Street, Garlic Line and Lagyan Beach. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment on 9 December 2021, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kuta area on Pantai Kuta Street and Garlic Line. Okay, now we are in Pantai Kuta Street. You see Mercure Hotel right side? Let's check it out, how busy there. Yeah, there is a lot of car parking there. That's really good. And Starbucks also open. You see, Heritage Kuta, and also some car parking there. That's really good. Oh, there is one bus parking at the front Kuta back. That's really good. And on this video, I make video around 10 minutes without skip because I just want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kuta area. And actually I make this video around 12 AM, so that's why in this area still not so busy, because usually when the weekend in this area will be busy during the afternoon time, in sunset time, because when the sunset time there is a lot of people going to Kuta Beach, and now it's still too hard to go down there. Okay, right side there is the Beach Walk Mall, the biggest mall in Kuta area. And usually in this area always traffic jam in the afternoon, but now it's easy driving. So it's like I'm too early to drive in this area today. Yeah, you can see right side there is the main gate to go to Beach Walk Mall and some cafe at the front of the Beach Walk. Still a bit quiet. Some people there, but not so busy. Okay guys, now you can see left side, there is a lot motorbike parking there. There is some people going to the Beach Walk Mall and some people they going to Kuta Beach. Yeah, it is still quiet in this area. Okay, now we continue driving in Pantai Kuta Street. Yeah, it's a bit traffic jam because in the right side there is a lot of car going to the parking area to the Beach Walk Mall. Oh yeah, there is a tourist on the sidewalk. That's good. In the end of this video, I will also want to show you how the situation at the moment on Lagyan Beach. You see right side? There is so many people walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good, isn't it? You see at the front right side, there is the parking area for the car when the people going to Kuta Beach. It's actually big area for the parking there. And will be full in the afternoon today because today on the weekend. Okay guys, now we continue driving on Pantai Kuta Street. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Okay guys, you see left side, there is a lot of car parking there. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Melasti Street, the most famous street in this area because it's like connecting from Lagyan Street to Kuta Beach Street. You see this area is quite busy, isn't it? There is a lot of car parking beside the street. You see at the front right side? Yeah, there is some tourists standing up at the front the Circle K. That's really good. It's quite busy today. I mean like I see more tourists today. Yeah, also on the left side there is some bus parking beside the street along the Pantai Kuta Beach. And also there is some taxi parking beside the street. They're waiting for the customer. That's really good. It's quite busy today, isn't it? But it will be for sure. In the afternoon, will be really busy. Okay guys, along the street, left side, there is a Kuta Beach. And the right side, there is the big hotel just nearby the Kuta Beach. Okay, let's see at the front, there is a big hotel we call Pullman Hotel. Yeah, there is the car parking inside. It's really busy down there. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Pantai Kuta street. It's quite busy, isn't it? Yeah, but for sure in the afternoon will be really busy. Okay guys, now we are in Melasti street. You see right side? Yeah, there is parking area for the Pullman Hotel. The car parking there, that's really good. Okay guys, in the afternoon I also will update how the situation in Kuta area in my another channel we call Bali Travel Vlog. So you can find the link down description. So you can compare the situation middle of the day and in the afternoon. In the left side there is Lagyan Beach Hotel, also big hotel in this area. And beside Lagyan Beach Hotel there is one art market in this area, so we can have a look together how busy down there at the moment. You see left side? Yeah, there is a lot of car parking at the front the art market. Yeah, it's quite busy, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Melasti street. And now I will turn left because I will explore how the situation at the moment in Garlic Line. Right side there is like food court, and left side there is some shop, but they are closed. It's really sad, isn't it? Actually in this area is very famous because just like very short way and like a shortcut from Kuta area to Padma. But so far in this area there is, I'm gonna say like 98% the shop are closed. And actually in this area there is art market also. So that's why before the pandemic this area is really busy. If you are ever been this area, you will feel very stranger because it's like nothing to see in this area today. And actually since the pandemic this area there's all the shop are closed. Okay guys, at the front if I turn right that is the way to go to Denpasar or Krobokan, but I will turn left because I will explore how the situation at the moment in Lagyan Beach. Yeah, now we are in Padma street. If I turn right there is the Padma Utara street. Okay, we continue driving in Padma street. You see left side there is also big hotel, and right side there is the Padma Hotel, also the big hotel in this area. And in the left side there is Bali Mandira Hotel, also very nice hotel because just nearby the beach. Okay, you see at the front there is a Lagyan Beach. And you see at the front that is the main gate to go to Lagyan Beach. And if you see the weather is so beautiful. Okay guys, now we will update how the situation at the moment in Lagyan Beach. And if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali for sure. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from this channel. Yeah, now we are in Lagyan Beach, so we can see together how busy this beach today. It's very blue water, it's very beautiful, and also the sky is so blue because few weeks ago was a bit dirty the water because Bali is still in rainy season. Oh my god, it's very quiet today. It's very sad, isn't it? Yeah, it is very sad. It's very quiet. But I think in the afternoon will be more people coming to this beach to enjoy the sunset and playing the surfing, because now the wind is still so strong. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.